In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 10. Installing Photoshop might seem daunting at first, but by the end of this video, you'll see it's a straightforward process once you know what to do. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.adobe.com. Adobe's website is your go-to hub for all things related to Adobe applications, including Photoshop. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Sign In. If you already have an Adobe account, you can go ahead and click that. If not, no worries. There's also an option to create an account right there. If you need to create an account, just follow the on-screen prompts to sign up. This typically involves entering some basic information like your email address and creating a password. Don't skip these steps because having an account is crucial for the rest of this process, particularly for accessing Adobe Creative Cloud. Once you have an account and you're signed in, it's time to open Adobe Creative Cloud. This is the software that manages all your Adobe apps and is indispensable for downloading and installing Photoshop. If you don't have Creative Cloud installed yet, you can download it directly from Adobe's website. After it's set up, launch the application. Now that you're inside Adobe Creative Cloud, it's time to get to the main event, installing Photoshop. Navigate to the Apps tab. It's typically located on the side menu of the Creative Cloud interface. Here you'll find a list of all Adobe applications available for download. Scroll through or search until you spot Photoshop. It's time to focus now, so don't click away. Once you've found Photoshop, you should see an Install button next to it. Click it to begin the download and installation process. Patience is key here. Downloading Photoshop can take some time, depending on your internet speed, so grab a coffee, do a quick stretch, whatever you need while you wait for the download to complete. With the download finished, you're just about ready to dive into Photoshop. Launch the application, either directly from Creative Cloud or by finding it among your installed programs. The first time you open Photoshop, you might be prompted to sign in again. Go ahead and enter your Adobe ID credentials. This ensures that everything is set up and linked to your account. And that's it. You've successfully installed Adobe Photoshop on your Windows 10 computer. Now you're all set to start exploring the powerful tools and features that Photoshop has to offer. Thanks for sticking with us through this tutorial, and happy editing.